Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma yesterday informed that Meghalaya has been given exemption from CUET for the year 2024-2025. Stating that the decision has both pros and cons, he said that the state has got the exemption since many students from the state could not register themselves for the CUET. It may be mentioned that the recent CUET exams in Shillong was marred with utter chaos and confusion, after which the matter was taken up with the central government.
CUET exam in the state. So we have received the communication that this year for 24-25 has been exempted again for this year. So it is like of the institutions, both CUET and non-CUET can be take admission. Exempted means those who have appeared. Yes, they have appeared there. Those, because the good things from the CUET is those appeared for the CUET and scored the good marks. They can try for admission in higher education in other states of the country.